Cats have unique ways of perceiving the world, and their interactions with humans are often shaped by their instincts and natural behaviors. Unlike dogs, who recognize humans as a different species and often look to them as pack leaders, cats do not necessarily distinguish between their feline companions and their human caregivers in the same way. In fact, many experts believe that cats see their owners as simply larger, non-threatening cats. This means that the way they behave around you is often an extension of how they would act around their feline friends. If your cat thinks you are also a cat, it will exhibit certain behaviors that mimic how it interacts with its own kind, and these signs can be both endearing and amusing. One of the most telling signs that your cat considers you part of its feline world is the way it greets you. In the wild or in multi-cat households, friendly cats acknowledge each other with head bumps, nuzzles, and slow blinks. If your cat often presses its forehead against you, rubs its face on your hands or legs, or gently bumps you with its head, it is treating you the same way it would treat another cat it likes. This is a strong sign of affection and trust, as cats use scent glands located on their heads and cheeks to mark members of their social group. By doing this, your cat is essentially claiming you as part of its inner circle and making sure you carry its scent, a behavior that is typically reserved for other cats. Another clear indication that your cat thinks of you as a fellow feline is when it kneads you with its paws. Kneading is a behavior that starts in kittenhood when young cats press their paws against their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. However, even as adults, cats continue to knead when they are feeling safe, comfortable, and affectionate. If your cat kneads your lap, stomach, or any other part of your body, it is showing the same level of trust and contentment that it would display toward another cat it deeply cares for. This behavior is often accompanied by purring, another sign that your cat associates you with warmth and security. Some cats even drool while kneading, as they enter a state of deep relaxation and happiness. Cats groom themselves regularly to keep their fur clean, but they also groom other cats as a form of social bonding. If your cat licks your hair, face, or hands, it is engaging in a behavior known as allogrooming, which is typically reserved for close feline companions. In multi-cat households, cats that share a strong bond will groom each other as a way to reinforce their relationship and express affection. When your cat licks you, it is treating you just like it would treat a fellow cat, ensuring that you are clean and covered in a familiar scent. While this behavior is often a sign of love, some cats can get quite enthusiastic about their grooming efforts, sometimes giving gentle nibbles or trying to clean areas where they think you need it. Though it may feel strange to be bathed by your cat, this is a huge sign of trust and affection. Cats often engage in playful behaviors with their favorite feline companions, and if your cat thinks you are another cat, it may try to play with you the same way it would with its littermates. This can include playful pouncing, ambushes, and even gentle nibbles or swats. Cats use play as a way to bond, practice their hunting skills, and establish social hierarchies within their group. If your cat often sneaks up on you, taps your leg before running away, or tries to wrestle with your hand, it is engaging in the same playful interactions it would have with another cat. Some cats even bring their owners toys as an invitation to play, expecting them to join in the fun. This behavior is particularly common in cats that were raised with siblings and are used to having playmates. While it may sometimes result in an accidental scratch or bite, it is a clear indication that your cat sees you as part of its social group and wants to engage with you in the same way it would with its feline friends. One of the most fascinating ways that cats express their social bonds is through their sleeping habits. In the wild, cats are very particular about where and with whom they sleep, as resting leaves them vulnerable to predators. If a cat chooses to sleep next to another cat, it means there is a high level of trust and comfort in their relationship. If your cat often curls up next to you, rests on your chest, or sleeps beside your pillow, it is treating you as it would another trusted feline companion. Sleeping together is a sign of deep trust, as your cat feels safe enough to let its guard down in your presence. Some cats even go a step further and snuggle under blankets with their owners, further reinforcing the idea that they see you as part of their social family. This is one of the ultimate signs that your cat considers you not just a caretaker but a close and valued companion. Cats have complex social structures and unique ways of expressing affection. While their behavior may seem mysterious at times, many of their actions are deeply rooted in instinct and feline social norms. If your cat exhibits these behaviors around you, head bumping, kneading, licking, playful pouncing, and choosing to sleep close to you, it is a strong indication that it perceives you as another cat rather than just a human. This is a high form of praise from your feline friend, as it means that you have earned its trust, affection, and companionship. By understanding and appreciating these behaviors, you can strengthen your bond with your cat and create an environment where it feels loved and secure.